All right, let me be straight with you for a second. There's a moment when you press play and realize your room has never sounded like this before. That moment happens fast with the reference cinema. This is for the kind of person who wants to be inside the movie, not just watching it. You are the one who notices when sound feels flat, when action scenes don't have weight, when dialogue floats without presence. You care about immersion, and you've reached the point where basic audio just doesn't satisfy anymore. Before you get carried away, check the current price and availability. Systems like this tend to disappear the moment people understand what they actually deliver. You already knew it was time to upgrade. Maybe your TV speakers felt thin. Maybe your old soundbar hinted at surround but never truly surrounded you. There's the quiet frustration when you know the experience should feel bigger, deeper, more convincing. That's when you stop settling. The switch is immediate. The room opens up. Sound doesn't just come from in front of you. It rises, moves, wraps around. Overhead effects finally make sense. You feel grounded in the center of the scene instead of listening from the outside. It's a relief you didn't realize you needed. Think about movie nights where rain actually falls above you, where flyovers make you glance up, where explosions have shape and direction instead of just volume. Think about gaming sessions where you instinctively react because sound placement feels natural. Even everyday streaming feels elevated, like the system is pulling more emotion out of everything you watch. This isn't about chasing specs or flexing gear. It's about how confident everything feels once it is playing. The sound is bold but controlled, immersive without being overwhelming. You stop tweaking and start enjoying. Take another look at the price now. Stock shifts happen fast, and hesitation has a funny way of turning into regret later. If you worried about complexity, that fades quickly. The setup feels approachable, and once it's dialed in, it just works. The surprise is how cinematic it feels without needing a massive room or complicated rack of equipment. There's real ownership pride here. When you sit down, you feel like you made a smart, intentional upgrade. When others hear it, they get it immediately. This feels like a system chosen by someone who knows what they want. Sound fills the room naturally. Overhead effects feel convincing. Dialogue stays clear and anchored. Action scenes gain real impact. Every session feels immersive. Bass lovers may want more rumble. Room placement takes a little care. Eventually, you stop comparing and start choosing. You already know which experience you want to live with. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and wish you'd done sooner. Check availability, trust that instinct that brought you here, and bring home the sound your space has been waiting for.